Avery Self-Adhesive Laminating Sheets, 9x 12-inch, permanent adhesive, 50 Clear Laminating Sheets, 73,601. Easily, quickly, and inexpensively laminate important documents, precious photos, valuable cards and more using these self-laminating sheets. Each laminate sheet is coated with permanent self-adhesive, so you can effortlessly create professional quality laminations without fussing with lamination machines. Laminating is simple. Use the included grid to size the document, place the document on the adhesive side of a laminating sheet, lay the second sheet with its adhesive side down to seal the other side of the document and trim the edges. You'll get professional results without fiddling with special equipment. Acid-free and archival safe, you'll be able to preserve and protect documents, diplomas, artwork, photos, collector cards, signs and more. You can even cover books with these self-laminating sheets and use a dry erase marker to make notes directly on them. Whether you're a business professional, teacher, student, hobbyist or collector, you'll love how easy to use and inexpensive Avery laminating sheets are for all your quick lamination projects. Click the link in the description to get this product.